Again, there's another light cut, so that's why it's last stream only remain only for 10 minutes. That's my life right now. India is suffering like that. Many times if flight just goes, and now my father at home and he running everything that he can. Inverter can't handle more than one two devices, so I like to blame it on my father. uh, it is like, why you are doing that? uh, Whatever, let's start the development again. And this is really bad song. Maybe something good. uh, so first of all, there is a categories, and there is a with, and there is a relation. So three things came very much differently. It doesn't on the same thing, so kind of it doesn't it is not a same thing. I just like to say that only. And mhm, 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 mhm. So there is a head and there is a relationship, but uh, and again, should I remove with or not? Because this is such a thing for me. I can't able to get the issue, because maybe should I not? uh, but photo should be, and again, photo should be actually get at least. What if I just maybe I should use this, maybe. Let's see how it's react if I do that. It's actually written that so I do very bad mistake there. I should actually, okay. OMG. I like to add two things at the same time, and uh, I don't want to be use something directory there, but photos is there, and it's about, it has to be also give me something else also. I think let's column. Maybe I get something else. Column. Uh, column. Arey, arey column. Maybe arey column. I forget about that again. Get column. Yes, this is it. Okay, there is more than two. So how do I use that there? How do we use that there? Um, this is kind of thing that I don't want to. It it actually do it with. Maybe I should use ID there. Maybe not. I didn't think I should ID. Uh, so, uh, 45 use ID there. This is it. Maybe let's check. Let's check. Oh no, not about that. So it's actually work. What? Oh, MG. This is not I want actually. So I think I should just do it in front end, not in back end, because it is stupid and I'm stuck. I can't do that. So so we are not using with section because this is ki- kind of hard. It doesn't actually doesn't give us any kind of certain thing that okay, this is actually work fine. uh, and with is removed here. We are not using with here, but at the same time we are using to, if we sign out and sign in, we are using with for that, uh, that point. Let's go to manager and categories, and go to categories, and this, delete that, because why not. Okay, first of all, okay, I think so there is a data, and I think so at least I have some kind of visual representation here, I think so. Maybe not, because there is a data here, so I can remove that, and maybe I'd run in on the Alpine JS. So Alpine JS, uh, like make it a little bit bigger, and why there is nothing there? There should be categories there somewhere, like there. There should be categories. What's happened there? And let's see. And what's happened to home? Maybe oh, there is a category is not defined. What are the hell? I just defined there. I just defined there. So what the issue? I don't get it. I just defined the categories there. Oh, this is it. It is empty? How it's empty? Is it not array? Maybe it's not array. Uh, let's echo this. Maybe I found out what's happening here. Uh, so it is array. So it is one. Then oh, OMG, it should be data there. If it's not array, then it should just give us data. And um, what just happened now? Maybe I just need doesn't need anything there. Oh no, there will be categories and there are other things also. But I can easily integrate them directly. I doesn't have to use this or anything else. I just need to do this directly. Oh no, not like that. But maybe I just not has to use that also. Maybe it's work fine. Uh, uh, doesn't I doesn't have to use this also. This is very strange thing, and it actually work. Oh, it worked really fine there. Oh, this I will say I never expecting to it behave like that. So there's a three things there, two things there. I probably I have no idea. I have checked that. There's an app content. There is a categories, and categories has a relationship there. Uh, so first of all, we have to make sure anything has in that it get it import in this category. So uh, we have to make some initialization. uh, this is very strange. I never expected it to work like that, that I don't have to be mention anything. It just takes everything from the backend. So okay, I'm gonna do that now. So categories, but at the same time it doesn't actually show me what is happening here. It's give me little bit less control over it. Well, I think this is worth it. So go to categories and no, not to categories. Hmm. I think. Oh, are fuck maybe JavaScript or a column maybe. Or a map. I think are a map going to work there. Maybe not. Maybe have no idea. This is very easily. It doesn't have to be. Get full name, and full name is okay. There, it's just joining first name and last name, and it just calling the get name function, and get name function has a item in it, and how its item goes there. This is kind of. Oh, this is a person. Okay, this is the array. So let's try this maybe. Oh, I just see the limitation here. I just see the limitation. This is the limitation. Uh, First of all, let create a div. So I actually get a function running here. It doesn't have to like that, but I think this is a very fine thing to do. Maybe not. So let's create a function on initialization x data. So it is basically a function. It doesn't have. It is like let's. I will show you. So it will like. Mm, does it how did map work in that like that? Oh, this is really. Let's see. Does map work in? Maybe it's work because the thing is, uh, it has to run this function. Did it get this function from the function setup in? Maybe not. Let's see first. Um, JavaScript, Alpine, Alpine JS, map. Maybe not. Third party script. Third party script. Maybe third party script is the. Oh, this song is literally. I don't think this is good. Whatever this is. Sometimes good song came. Sometimes it doesn't came. I have to check it again. This is good. This is good. So little bit. So first of all, let's see what's actually I'm going to do there. I don't think so. Function is going to do anything for me here. I should stop using function here now. Then maybe I have to make use of some kind of script which I don't want to use. Uh, let's see what can we do here. What can we do? So categories dot map. So maybe I just create. I can actually write a function inside that. So function, no, a function, and I think I actually just write function here. Maybe that's actually work. Maybe not. Maybe who's know. So function name will be relation. So function is has mean relationship here. I don't think so. Relationship with thing because relationship is described previously. Relation fn. So something like that. Control A, Control C. So uh, first is check for everything. It has the thing is it has to have some inputs. How can a map without some kind of inputs? And that's actually why actually I am very much struck many kind of things in here. So map map actually I found map very difficult because of this reason. You just get item and do this thing, but maybe should not has to do this kind of things. mm, I don't think so I should relate a function here. uh, let's let's check I can do that there also. So if I just copy this and put it here, if I run that, it's run okay, it doesn't okay, it's run fine. So I can do that. So I can actually made my function accordingly, and it does, oh, it doesn't has to be item also. Maybe I'll just like item. Maybe I should use first of all in code pen. Maybe something I'm doing wrong because it's happened very much many times. I have no idea. It's actually working. So okay, okay. If I remove the item, it does work then. Okay, it doesn't work then. So I should at least use item like that. Okay. So first of all, there is a whatever I call it. I can call anything. So it is just interpret these categories here. So it doesn't has to be anything to be fair. So first of all, we will check for condition, and if there is condition is right, it's going to push. I think so. I think it has to push. Uh, Maybe not. I don't have so. Well, how's photos there actually? Let's see the relationship. So on the relationship there is a photos. Hmm. Relationship is an object. So if I go to relationship dot photos, it doesn't actually behave like that. Let's see first of all. So if go to relationship and relationship is like that. In relationship, we has to find which is photos. Okay, so first of all, like that. Because this is intentional. This array type is intentional there, because if I doesn't do that, I have to. It is very difficult to actually get more than one thing. So it can be photos there and other also. So it has multiple relationship there, and it gets multiple relationship for me. Uh, that's the main reason for it. Okay, so how should I create something new there, or maybe it just work fine? Uh, First of all, there is a category there and categories name there, and why I'm doing this? I don't think so. I have to do anything like that. There's a thing services, and I can just use this is services name. There should be image, and image has a source, And for source, we are going to use something like this is actually alpine there I'm using, so I can just use like that. So we are going to find first a array, and yes, we are going to find first array, and then we do something with it. So maybe I am using first x data, and x data actually do some photos. uh, it doesn't work maybe. Why this error? Did I do something wrong there? Oh, okay, it is is equal to, okay, first of all, it is photos, so it has to find the photos. uh, photo will be photo will be uh, we just has to find uh, photo. I have to check. uh, array find, uh, actually, oh no, what happened there, yeah? Sometimes Firefox doesn't even run its own websites. Sometimes it races web, sometimes Firefox doesn't run. Okay, it's running now. But this is kind of funny. Sometimes Firefox doesn't even run this on. Okay, maybe it is not funny. So first of all, photos dot find, um, element can be anything. We can use I. So I use I mostly because it is little bit easy. So I dot, and it has to find for ID there, and ID should be category, no, category photo ID. So it's gonna find that, and actually say to as photo, and source will be photo dot directory plus photo dot name. I have no idea it's going to work or not, but I think I should. Oh, it doesn't work. Ta 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 ta. Let's go to services. There is something happened there. Let's go to compare. Photo is not defined. Okay, okay. Photo is not defined. Okay, okay, okay. So, hmm. First, I have to find photo. Where is the photo? Okay, okay. So, and it's kind of photos there. So, okay, and it has to find the photos in. We have a photos. We had a relationship, and we have to find attribute of photos in the relationship. That's right. Find a nested uh, attribute value in the relationship uh, in array. uh, Maybe I have to use some kind of um, first we have to use some kind of. I has to go to p. I'm coming in 10 minutes, maybe less. It just p means 2 3 minutes probably. It's too much to be fair. I coming real back fast. After 10 minutes, I'm back. Maybe it's less than 10 minutes, maybe not. Uh, maybe if somebody sees this thumbnail, he think, okay, this is a kind of some kind of what do you say? Some kind of playlist kind of thing. So it is not. It's not. Uh, it mix. I don't think so. I need to listen to mix. Maybe I should listen to GTA Vice City song. It has really good songs to be fair. Not for emotional. Ah, this is it. No, maybe not. Actually, I already listened this. This HQ words means is HQ. Let's listen this sound. Sorry, you can't able to listen that because copyright issue. So first of all, I have to actually photos is not there. It is has in a relationship. So maybe actually we first defined a relationship there maybe, and maybe we actually make some attributes. So maybe we should make some attributes uh, which actually find in relationship. So uh, maybe okay. So relations. Okay. So relationship also has to find, and photo is nothing there because it has to find that. Uh, but it is nested. This is getting out of hand. Maybe okay. I don't think so. It's gonna work. I don't. It has no attributes there, so it's just how it's actually defining. Let's see the document, kind of like that. So there is a relationship. In the relationship, there's a kind of array. So okay, this is actually how to okay, okay, how to search with key. Okay, okay, how to search with key. How to search with key, JavaScript. This is a, I think this is also work, whatever. I think I should go to array map, whatever. Sometimes stack flow is good unless you are not asking the question. Oh no, you may be thinking, oh, what is that? What is that kind of joke? Is no touch. No. Okay, so maybe. Uh, no, it's not. It's not. I like to search with key, not this. I like to search with this. Uh, First of all, OMG. I just do a very wrong thing here. I should use like OMG. I can do that. Oh, I just do very bad job here. I just has to. Oh no, it doesn't like that. Maybe I with two relation. I think maybe I do something else. I will to find something here. I don't think so. But I'm not. No, I don't know what I'm talking right now because it is rated R section in this Vice City. If you listen that, you know that section because rated R for. uh, 1 second. Let's see. I has to do that. I, mm, what is maybe something like that. Mm, Find with key JavaScript. Monkey mind doesn't get anything up with it. I have no idea what that's it. Maybe this is a 2012 question. Then you don't have to use that. Forget that. These kind of biggest things should not be used. Biggest thing is it's like oldest thing. You should not use like any answer before 2000, maybe 17. Okay, there is a key. Oh, Okay, maybe it's actually work with like that. Maybe not. Maybe I dot um I space key. Maybe that's work. Maybe not. I have no idea again. Uh, value. I use only double is equal to because sometimes it's actually really pain to do anything else. Okay. First of all, let's see. There is a relations there. Okay, there is a relations there, and actually I spelled it wrong. So oh, and it doesn't work. Of course, how it can work. So first of let's just make it. Let's doesn't do it here because some I have to refresh it and sometimes it's work, sometimes doesn't. Okay, yeah. Maybe let's make it. Let's make it. Let's remember war and war relations, and relations has something like this. Dun, 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 dun. Mm-hmm. Um. Okay. Let's just maybe it's work fine. I think it's going to work fine. It has. Now we are going to do something. Why I should use it here? I just use it in the console. That's will be a better idea to be fair. So. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I am okay. Maybe Notepad plus plus has something in it. Oh, okay. Now I'm freaking out. I just want to use Notepad plus plus now here. Whatever. It's not like okay. There's nothing here, and the thing is, it does mean nothing. Probably. So I just going to close all because why not? Maybe I just need to. I create a new file. Why should I do that? I just create a new file here and new file, which is it's not a mm, it's HTML. HTML. What will be file name? Test. Uh, where's the file? Where's the file? Oh, okay. It doesn't do anything here. I just create a file. Okay. I I think there's a test maybe somewhere. Test.in log. Okay, this log. Let's close that also. Maybe there's something somewhere in test here. Mm, uh, I think I have to go there. I have to run it from here. I doesn't want it, but I don't think I have any other choice. And it's literally just return everything that actually I said here. So, and first of all, so there is a relationship. Relationship is a array kind of thing. So, and there is a relation. So where is relation? I forgot about that. There is a array. So this is kind of what I want to. Maybe it's working. Maybe don't. Okay. I just var x console log x console log x or and there is some issue there. Let's see. Relation is not defined. Here is relation. Resh is right or realish? Does I like use spelling wrong? Ah, it is me, so it's 100% possible because I use spelling really wrong sometime, and you just see me last time. I spell forum wrong, and it's taken my whole time there. Uh, so spelling is actually fine there. So uh, now something happened. What's happened? Key is not defined. The thing is, you have to search for key. Should I? If it's like that, maybe it's going to work. But I think I can't be able to find out how do I do that. Relations find is not a function because it's not array. Okay, so maybe okay. Some actually something here happen. Object dot keys. So dot keys. Okay, I should use like that. Maybe it work like that. Maybe again maybe. And if what is saying now? Maybe it's now. It's okay. It's still giving me some error. Dot key is not a function. Okay, grepl doesn't do anything here. Okay, so it's work like that. First of all, the issue is here. How to make it like? I mean, it's actually using this, and this is not going to help because if this is uh, this is actually I don't think so. This is going to help. Let's see. First of all, how we can make it happen. So first of all, there is a relations app, and it's actually array map, and so it's going to use array map. So okay, it's actually gonna return an array. Uh, but thing is only get only one thing. So it's only get probably a one relation maybe. Uh, um, but if I use like that, I don't have any idea. So okay, now it's kind of working, but oh no, it's not what I want actually. I like to merge two things, but I just need to add. Okay, maybe no. Let go to services and do something else so I can actually fetch two relationship at the same time. Let's go to categories. It doesn't have most of the things, so it doesn't have like that. And go to services and put this Let's choose categories there and set to, and it doesn't actually like that. Maybe I'm going to migration, and on services I'm going to put it categories there. It is null level, but still there is a categories kind of relate to services. So I'm so sorry I has to use Copilot now because I've just screw up very much here. Category aside download null and add and it does not for already category, and I have to use constraint also. Add constraint constraint uh no service id. Oh, not service cat. No categories, so only categories. Maybe okay, that's it. And I've just first of all I'm gonna it is and category is null, so I'm gonna delete the services and recreate the services again. So first of all I'm gonna delete these services operation drop and disable it because something gonna broke definitely. And SQL service port ID, where is it? Okay, okay, I just screw up here, so and I have to delete it again because I think there's services I have to delete again because it doesn't actually pick up everything. So, okay, now it's kind of working. uh, I'm gonna add something here. So it is about text. Description is income tax return ITR 1, ITR 2, ITR 3, and ITR 4. That's it. And port ID I am using ITR BAB. Category ID is services. Short name is ITR basically. Direct. Got basically it's ITR basically. So pages ID is nothing here right now. So is this non level or not? Okay, it is non level. So okay. So first of all, table is now services. So I just want to actually basically where what is now. Actually, there is no service ID there, so we have to actually search for category maybe. So something like uh, we have to make it some where and where ID. Like we actually mentioned that here. So like what's actually here? No, just no ID maybe a service ID. I think that's it. Okay, I think. Hmm, let's see. Anything can happen. Okay, there's a table of services. Hmm. Anything happen again. So let's see. Let's just think nothing out of ordinary just happen here. So there is a service ID. So let's just go to global and see what's happened there. First of all, there is a where and where ID. So let's see if where is mean data where. So data is equal to ID. So where is actually find to be where. So he's actually I'm looking for this his ID on everywhere else, which is not a service ID. It is the category ID. Okay, categories ID maybe. Does I do anything somewhere wrong? Category ID maybe something. Uh, okay, it's still not working. So it's looking its ID on category ID. Uh, mm, First of all, fertile error show all maybe PHP because it's not showing. Sometimes it's just like say it's show dot dot dot. So first, first of all, let's see ISS. Maybe I get some function there, so I don't have to use anything else. So TPHP, PHP manager, manage all settings and display errors, display start error, display functions, display classes. Mm, display error is on, but let's just open this maybe. Last I'm opening this here. Access denied. Okay. So I go to continue and which is I forgot about the name. PHP XAMPP error log. So oh, this is 509 MB file. I'm gonna screw it up because this is too much. First of all, let's go to end. End button doesn't work. Why should I? It work. Why should it work? It is 512 MB file, which is just filled of text. uh, and doesn't work. Maybe I just, oh, so it's actually works. So undefined hierarchy. What if I just repeat it? Let's see, because I like to see if I just repeat it, does it work? So it's work. Yes, it just does work like um. So let's do something here and just doesn't don't do. Um, does do. Okay, I'm not doing any kind of relationship here. Uh, but I think we should actually. So mm, first of all, uh, I'm gonna put this upper side of it because I've screwed up. I don't even know what I'm doing here because many of the functions I lost it. I have to close this and maybe I try some time later and it's work magically.